Are you looking for different ways to elevate your style game? Well, you're not going to want to miss today's video because I'm sharing 5 ways to make your outfit look more expensive. Hi ladies, it's Beth. Thanks so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time visiting, a very warm welcome. You can find me over on Instagram and Facebook, Style to Certain Age, and we have a lovely lifestyle blog, StyleToCertainAge.com, where we share lots of different style tips and recipes, cocktails, health and wellness, fitness, you name it, we have it for the over 50 woman that wants to age with grace, strength, and beauty. But for today, it's all about 5 ways to look more expensive, so let's get to it. So today we're going to talk about 5 ways to elevate your outfit or how to make your outfit look more expensive. And the good news is most of these things don't cost you anything. We're not reinventing the wheel though, so if you think that you're going to be finding like some, like I've uncovered some deep dark secret, that is not true. That is not the case. These are just a lot of common sense, a lot of things that we just need to pay attention to that perhaps we're not. So let's get into it. And the very first one, and this doesn't cost you anything. We always like that when style doesn't cost us 1 penny. And that is just to make sure that your clothes are pressed before you go out. And it's so easy today to just skip over this because we're in a rush and many of our clothes are, we just throw them in the washing machine and they tumble dry and they come out relatively wrinkle-free. But if you take that extra step just to get, pull your ironing board out and your iron, and I just tend to iron when I'm binge watching shows, and I'll have a stack of laundry and I'll just come along and I will, iron all of my clothes. And taking that extra step just makes certain that my clothes are ready to go at a moment's notice. But if you don't like to iron, if that's not your thing, then another alternative is you can actually take them to the cleaners. So not necessarily you're not getting your clothes dry cleaned, but they can actually wash them and press them for you. So if you want to, take that extra step and have somebody else do it for you, that's definitely an option. And then the third way that you can keep your clothes pressed, and I do this even after I iron them. So I have a steamer in my closet, and I am telling you, what a lifesaver. So if I see that if something is just, slightly wrinkled before I head out the door, I'll just put it on my steamer, heat it up, and then just, give it a few swipes. It is just amazing, and I am walking out the door freshly pressed and very polished. The second way that you can elevate your outfit or make it look more expensive is adding gold accessories. And yes, there is a gold accessory for every skin tone and hair color out there. A lot of times I think we kind of get stuck in a rut that if we're, for the spring and summer colors, or if we have cool tones, we have to stick to silver jewelry. And the autumns, they get all of the gold accessories. Well, that's just a bunch of rubbish. So I am telling you, gold accessories look amazing on everybody, and there's a big difference between gold and silver. Silver is just, I love silver, but it's very casual. It's more for that sporty outfit, and gold accessories just give a very smart, very elevated look. So whether it's a pair of gold earrings like I'm wearing today, I have a very casual outfit on, but it just adds just a hint of elegance, a gorgeous gold statement necklace or a gold cuff, even a gold belt. So a way to accessorize your outfit to make it look more expensive is with gold accessories. The third way to elevate your outfit and make it look more expensive is monochromatic dressing. So that's head to toe in one color. So whether that is white or whether that is camel or whether that is black, it's very elongating, it's very, very chic, and it's always in style. So don't forget, head to toe monochromatic looks look very, very expensive. And the fourth way to elevate your outfit and make it look more expensive is add a belt. It sounds very, very simple, and actually many of us have gotten away from accessorizing with belts, but that's one of my favorite ways to accessorize. And belts are like handbags and shoes. They last forever, and most likely you can pass it down generation after generation. So don't be afraid to go for those luxury brand belts. You can put a belt, through your belt loops. You can put, pop it over a dress. They can be wide, they can be skinny, they can be in between. But definitely add a belt to an outfit to look very chic and very expensive. So the fifth way to elevate your outfit and look more expensive is with a pair of polished shoes and a smart haircut. Those two things really elevate any outfit that you have, because the first thing that I ever notice about anybody is their shoes. And the first thing that you can do is, of course, have a really well-fitted pair of shoes and make sure that they're polished. But it's also very, very nice to stay on top of trends with shoes. So you can really, you can run the gamut. You can have, a very sexy stiletto, or you could have, a gorgeous block heel, everything in between. But a shoe, and especially a polished shoe, makes all the difference in the world with your outfit. And a haircut is also the most important way. And my recommendation is, and I've faced this many, many times, especially after we've moved, it is not easy finding a hairstylist. But I am telling you, they will keep you at the top of your game, and they are worth every penny, because the most elegant haircut really frames your face. It keeps you youthful. It's not necessarily the color of our hair that ages us, but it's actually our haircut. So we want to stay abreast of what's out there, what's trending. Of course, you can go with a traditional bob. Those never go out of style, but a hairstylist will guide you for that perfect haircut, and it will keep you looking very polished and very expensive with all of your outfits. So style does not have a price tag on it. As a matter of fact, there's so many things that we can do that don't cost anything. So I hope you picked up a couple of tips. As I said, we're not reinventing the wheel today, but they're good reminders to have. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscription box down below so you don't miss any videos coming your way. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.